Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can change Instagram notification sound on iPhone. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the process is same for iPhone and Android. So you simply need to open first in settings the Instagram, click on that, and you need to allow all the notifications. Once you allow, you simply need to open or you can search for the notification, click on that, and here you can see the option of notification sound. Okay, and from here you can select different sounds, and if you want you can add your as well. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.